Good day, greetings, people, and welcome back to Joy Connections. Bear with me, guys. Today is one of those days. But let's continue our conversation about cancer. I think I'll actually start by answering my friend's question, which is also many other people's question. Because of how I'm feeling today, I'm gonna start answering the question about pain. My friend I mentioned yesterday asked me, "Oh, are you in pain? Is it painful? Does me talking to you, making you talk, make it worse?" So I'm gonna answer that question because today I'm in the today, guys, I'm in pain. I'm not well today. Breathing itself is hard. Every time I breathe, it's like I'm being stabbed from the front to the back on the left side. And so breathing is hard. And yeah, so answering that question, is it painful? Yes, it is painful. But is it continuously painful? Not continuously. It's kind of like you have phases. Sometimes you're in very bad pain, like today, and talking is a real effort. Breathing is a real effort. And when you're in pain as well, other things get affected, like patience. I get irritated very easy when I'm in pain, but that's not just pain from cancer. That's me generally speaking. When I'm in pain, I'm very impatient. So yeah, it is painful, but sometimes not like a ticking clock continuously. The breathlessness rather is continuous. Why does this thing keep going off as soon as I start my video? Guys, I'll mostly be doing my videos in the car because when I'm indoors, I don't know, I don't like the gloomy kind of look the indoor light gives. I think outside natural light is better for videos. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing most of my videos outside, and as well I'm gonna be doing them outside mostly after my appointments, because at the moment I'm having appointments almost every day of the week except the weekends. But I've had some appointments even in the weekends, during the weekends as well. So yeah, most of the videos are gonna be here. So the answer to the question, am I in pain? Yes, I am, but not continuously. And the level of pain as well is different. The intensity. Sometimes it's like a mild irritating ache that leaves you feeling like you're gonna have you're having palpitations, and leaves you feeling like you might faint, or should I say pass out. But it's not so intense that it gives you panic levels. Then sometimes it's moderate pain, where it's a real thud, and literally getting up, walking about in my house is hard, and bending, I can bend, but getting up is hard, and doing the physiotherapy exercises I've been given to do takes a real effort. And then there are times like today when the pain is severe. It's severe, and even talking is painful. Even talking is hard. And the thing of the matter is the pain fluctuates so randomly. It's not like you get a warning that today is going to be like this, or even if you were to get the warning, it's not going to indicate whether it's going to be just an hour of it, 2 hours of it, all day, or maybe 20 minutes or whatever. The pain just fluctuates. So I'm kind of taking it as it comes, each day, each hour, each minute as it comes. And I just do as much as I can within the restrictions of the level of pain I'm in, or the level of breathlessness I'm in. I've noticed that when I'm in more pain, the breathlessness is also more. So yeah, it's kind of a maze. Anyway, that is the answer to one of the questions I highlighted yesterday. I didn't actually think it was going to be the first question I answered, because this was a question that was asked at the end of the conversation, and also I had quite several days where I was feeling not too bad. I was actually feeling okay. And and this is the confusing thing about it. Those moments or those times or those days that you don't feel this pain, or it's just a mild ache, you can almost convince yourself that you're okay. And in those moments, I even find myself asking myself, is this thing actually real? Or maybe it's a mistake. Or maybe I've just healed miraculously. I don't know, maybe it's stupid, but these are things that come up to my mind, because sometimes I'm having a bad day today. Yeah, sometimes I feel okay. And then it just seems and feels unreal that I'm going through this. And then I'll wake up, and then I will stand up from where I'm sitting, and then the coin flips, and we're on the other side, and I'm struggling to breathe. I'm in pain. I'm struggling to cope, and even making myself a cup of tea becomes something else. So yeah, it's ridiculous. I have this thing now. When I can make my tea, whatever part of the day I can make my tea, I make it and I put it in here. It's about 1.5 liters, I think, or a liter something. So I put it in here because this keeps hot drinks hot for about 9 hours, maybe 10 hours cooling down. And if it's a cold drink, it keeps it cold for about the same number of hours. So yeah, that's what I do. So when I'm going through what I'm going through right now, this pain that you can't actually explain, I don't have to worry about walking about backwards and forwards to the kitchen to make myself a cup of tea. I have this next to me and I sip on it as the day goes. And I just take pain medication. As you guys know, I am on pain medication for other health conditions. Anyway, I just thought I should start answering the questions, and question that I ended up answering first is about pain. When I'm in pain like this, lying down is hard, sitting is hard, standing is hard, walking is hard, everything is just hard. And so it's like, I don't know. The sun coming through the window there is kind of soothing. It's like being massaged. It's weird, but that's how it is. Have a lovely day, guys. Please follow and share this video.